Want to stop unwanted apps from running on your Samsung Galaxy the A56 5G? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to disable apps on your Samsung phone without uninstalling them. This can help improve device performance, reduce battery usage, and remove unnecessary apps from your app screen in just a few taps. Begin by opening the Settings app. You can access it from the home screen or by swiping up to open the app drawer and tapping the Settings icon. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and select Apps or Applications. This section displays all the applications installed on your device, including both downloaded and system apps. Next, scroll through the list and tap on the app you want to disable. This will open the app info page where you can control notifications, permissions, storage usage, battery settings, and other app-related options. Now look near the bottom of the screen for the Disable button. Tap on it, then confirm the action if a message appears on your screen. After disabling the app, it will stop running in the background and disappear from your apps list until it is enabled again. Keep in mind that some important Samsung or Android system apps cannot be disabled because they are required for the phone to operate correctly. In those cases, the disable option will be unavailable or grayed out. If you ever need the app again, simply return to the same app info page and tap Enable to restore it instantly. And that's how you can quickly disable apps on the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G like a pro. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Samsung tutorials and tech tips.